So the first thing you want to do is think of how you're going to construct your garment. If you're going to be doing the same construction all the way around, let's say fold over elastic, you would probably be adding a similar seam allowance all the way around. So I'm going to first show you how to add seam allowance on all seams. So we would select the entire object and we'd go Object, Path, Offset Path, and then we would add in our seam allowance. So let's say I'm gonna do 0.3 inch, and then I'm just gonna press OK, and then I'm going to get that seam allowance all the way around. So very easy. Let's say we wanted to do a binding, for example, we'd put it on our main seams. This seam, and these seams need seam allowance. So Object, Path, Offset Path, we'll go with 0.3. Now because the path isn't closed, you're going to get these double lines. You can just go in and select them and delete the double lines. An important thing to note is this corner here, for example. It's a bit tricky because this line offset creates this little square here, so we're going to have to continue our line here and then continue our seam allowance and then cut off the excess. So that way we get a clean corner. So that is how we add seam allowance. So for our front piece, I'm just going to mirror it. And there you have it. How to add seam allowance to your pattern piece.